Okay, everybody, so, we're going to be playing Pets and Lyrics every hour, so, let's do this. So, it's 8, 6:26, 7:26. So, we'll be back and see how far we get. So, right now, we are at level 91. So let's start. Okay, see you guys in a little bit. Bye-bye. Okay, y'all, I'm returning back to spawn because I was just in the diamond mine. But let's see how much we got. Okay, we got 16 stars. Okay. So we got pretty dang far. We got to 97. So 91 plus 6 equals, which is 16 points, equals literally 97. So I'm going to do this for another hour till 8, and then I'll end it at 9 o'clock. So, bye-bye, gamers. Let's first set the alarm. Net 8:27. See you guys in a little bit. Hey, everyone. So, let's get back into Pets and Lyrics. So, I just got done, and I got 21 stars. Okay, let's see what we can do with 21 stars. Like, I'm really excited to see what we can do. Like, 21 stars is quite a bit. For an hour. I was literally talking on FaceTime for a little while. So, oh my gosh. Oh, yes, thank you. I got another one. I got 2 billion diamonds. So, I was at 97, and now I'm at 103 plus. So, plus was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus another 7 equals like literally 21p. And it literally equals 103. We got a new record, guys. 103. That's actually the farthest I've ever gotten. But by doing this series, it's really gotten me. And hopefully I can get the egg before it's too late if I do this every single day. I think I will because I really like doing this for y'all. And let's go set the timer again. So it is literally 8:29. So 9:29. Uh-oh. But we're not going to be doing this for a full hour. But thank you so much for watching. Let's continue this. Bye-bye. Guys, it has not been an hour, but I want to go to bed. So let's check how much we have. We have 18 stars. So as you guys can see, I'm super tired. I'm not crying. I just had the hiccups a little bit. So we're at 103. We only went 6. So you only went. So I was at 103. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I only went 5. Equals 18p. Now I'm officially at. Wait, what? Oh, never mind. What? 2. 3 plus 4. Sorry, it's 103 plus 4 equals 107. That's where we're ending the day off. Hope you guys like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you guys can receive notifications when I upload new videos. But let's open these 2 eggs somewhere where I've been really lucky before. And we're going to go to Bella because dear Bella is the best. What's up, Bella? Let's see if I can afford this finally. 5. I'm so close though. Okay, what's up, Bella? How you doing today? Okay, so you know what I want to do? I want to hatch a huge pet or just something with your luck. Please give me a shiny. Since we did not get a shiny, whatever we get, don't get in the sailor eggs. I always give them away to people for free. So I'm spam clicking. Okay. For personal experience, I'm going to give away both of them. I don't really care. So whatever he accepts. Free. Yeah. Yeah. I always like to say, you are loved. You are loved. Okay. Yeah. What? Free. 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 Oh my gosh. No, he's actually getting me something. Thanks. Oh, right. When it confirms. Now we need... just gave that away, but this for free. Just gave that away, but this is for free. I'm sorry, guys. But not many of these exist, and I wanted to give one away. You are loved. You are loved. I always like to say that whenever I trade people for free. I always say, you are loved. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Love you all. And you are loved too. Mwah, mwah. Bye-bye.